Beautiful luxury 1 bedroom in Flushing. This is entrance. There's a closet on the entrance, big closet. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. There's another double door closet here. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space, all stainless steel appliances. Comes with a microwave and a dishwasher. That's the exhaust on the top. It's the pantry. A large bedroom, you can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. And it comes with 2 closets. There's one here, another closet here. This is the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, brand new tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Half a block from the 7 train. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule our viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.